hands. We will start our morning prayer and then we will start our class. Okay, join your hands. Thank you, God, for world so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Okay, friends. Now we can start our class after the prayer. Okay. So today you will be very excited to see again our best friends are here to meet you all. You want to see them? Yes. Okay. You all know them because they are our best friends. We have Bingo and Water Drop. Yay. So today we have Bingo and Water Drop here to meet you all. So we will ask them what they are doing here. Okay. So Bingo, say hi all to all our friends. Hi friends. How are you all? Yes, all our friends and me too are very excited and very eager to meet you. So we are very happy after meeting you. But why you are here today? Okay, I'm going to introduce you with one more our friend. Oh, so one more friend is there to meet here. Yes, one more my and Waterdrop's best friend is here to meet you all. Okay, so we are very excited to meet them. Okay, we'll call him. Yes. See here, my friend, mine and Bingo's friend. Okay, so these plants are your friend. Yes, these plants are my and Waterdrop's best friend. Okay, wow, that's so great. But they are not. I want to. We also want to do the friendship with the plants, na? Yes. So today I will introduce you with the plants. I will tell you everything about them and how to do the friendship with them. Okay. So we are very excited to do the friendship with the plants. I'm going to tell you about the plantation also. Okay. So we will come to know about how to do the plantation also. Yes. Okay. So today in our lesson, kitchen garden and pot plantation, the Bingo and Water Drop is going to give us a lot of information about the plants. So today our lesson name is kitchen garden and pot plantation, and this lesson is from your play, do and learn textbook. Okay. So myself, Mrs. Neelam Kadam, I'm from Anand Nagar English Municipal School, Daisar East, RN Ward. Okay. So today we will start our lesson, that is kitchen garden and pot plantation. Okay. So all of you are ready for that? Okay. So Bingo, what do you want to tell us about the plants? You want to share something about the plants, no? Yes, these plants are my best friend. Okay, why they are your best friend? Because you all know I eat healthy food. Yes, we know you eat only healthy food. That's why you look so beautiful and so healthy and happy. And I get this healthy food, healthy fruits from these lovely plants. And also we get a beautiful flowers. My mother used these flowers for puja, for home decoration. So I get fruits, vegetables, lovely flowers from these plants. And that's why the plants are my best friend. Okay, Bingo. So plants gives you so many things. Green, fresh vegetables, then lovely, sweet, juicy fruits and flowers. Okay, wow, that's so good. And Water Drop, what you are going to tell us about the plant? Yes, I will also tell you the importance and the uses of the plant in my life, and that's why they are my best friends. You all know I am Water Drop and I come in the form of a rain on the earth, and this plants helps me to come down in the form of a rain. Okay, so the rain occurs because of these plants. Yes, these plants are there on the earth everywhere, and that's why the rain occurs. It helps the rain to come down. Okay, that's so good. And because of that only rain only we get the water, right? Yes, and also the oxygen which you use for breathing. Yes, we use the oxygen for breathing. Now, while breathing, we take the oxygen in and we exhale carbon dioxide out. So, you get this oxygen which you require for living, and you get this oxygen from the plants. This plants leaves the oxygen out for you all. Okay, that's so great. I think these plants are our friends too, because these plants are helpful to us so much. Bingo and Water Drop, thank you very much for giving us so much information about the plants. But Bingo, how do you take care of your friends? I, okay, I love the plantation and I love watering plants. Okay, Bingo, so you do the plantation and water the plants. Yes, this is my daily activity. Whenever I get up in the morning, I first go to all my plants. I take care of them. I water them and also I do the plantation. Okay, that's so great. I have my own garden also. Okay, you have your own garden. Oh my God, it will be so lovely, na, students? Yes, and my mother have grown a kitchen garden. Kitchen garden. So kitchen garden, it means what? We know about the garden, about the flower garden. We know about the fruits garden. What is mean by this kitchen garden? Kitchen garden, it means all the vegetables which we use for the cooking are grown in the kitchen garden. It is a small space in our house, in the balcony or on the terrace. We grow this kitchen garden. Okay, so kitchen garden, it means we grow vegetables which are required for the cooking in the kitchen. Right, Bingo? Yes, vegetables are grown in the kitchen garden, and me and my mother have grown a lovely kitchen garden in our house. You all want to meet my kitchen garden? You all want to see my kitchen garden? Yes, we are very much excited to see your kitchen garden, friends. You all also want to see kitchen garden of Bingo? Yes, Bingo. Please take us to your kitchen garden. Okay, we will go to visit my kitchen garden. Okay, let's go to visit my kitchen garden. I will give you all the information about the plants. Okay, so all of you are ready to visit my kitchen garden. Okay, show us the PPT of a kitchen garden. So in kitchen garden, we have many vegetable plants. So I will show you that. Okay. We are going to visit the kitchen garden of Bingo. Please show us the PPT of the kitchen garden. All these children are waiting to visit the kitchen garden. Okay, so in that kitchen garden, we have lovely vegetables. Okay, so those vegetables my mother used for the cooking. Okay, so you get the vegetables from that kitchen garden and your mother cooks it in the kitchen. That's why you are looking so happy and healthy. Yes, we grow our own vegetables in our own kitchen garden in the different pots. So I will show you that also. Okay, so we are going to observe the kitchen garden of the Bingo, and also we are going to see the various kinds of plants in which this kitchen garden is grown by Bingo and his mother. So Bingo, gardening is your favorite activity? Yes, gardening, plantation, watering the plants is my favorite activity. And in this lockdown, we are all locked up in our home, and we feel very sad because we can't meet our friends. But this plants works as our friends. So every morning I go to these plants to meet them. Okay, that's so good. That's why plants are your friends, because in the whole day you are in the home and you feel really stressed up or sad. So you go and meet the plants and you feel very, very happy. Yes, these plants gives me lots of happiness. Okay. We are very, very eager to visit your kitchen garden. Right, friends? And Bingo, give us all the information about the vegetable plants which you have in your kitchen garden, so that my friends and me also will come to know about it. Okay. So this palak is grown in our kitchen garden by my mother, and I always water them. That's why they are looking so healthy and green. Okay, Bingo. So now show us the next plant which you have in your kitchen garden. Oh, wow. From that is brinjal plant, right, Bingo? Yes, you can, all of you can see the brinjal on the plant. So this is brinjal plant, and we get this lovely brinjal for cooking every day. Okay, so which next plant is there? See here, this is chili plant. Chilies are grown on the plant, Bingo. Yes, this is chili plant, and we always use this chilies in our cooking. My mother always use this lovely green chilies for the cooking. Oh wow, that's looking so nice. So next plant. Wow, this is tomato plant, right, Bingo? Yes, see, tomatoes are grown on the plant, and these tomatoes we use for the cooking. And see, such a lovely pots my mother is using for these plants. Oh, really very nice pots she is using. Round pots, rectangle pots, so nice shapes they have. Next. Bingo, which plant is this? We cannot identify this plant. Yes, wait, I will tell you. This is ginger plant. Ginger, it means adrak. You all know ginger works as a medicine. Also, while coughing and sneezing, we eat ginger. So, this is ginger plant my mother has grown in the garden. Okay. Oh, wow, that's great. But we can't see the gingers on the plant. The gingers grow inside the soil, under the soil. They are under the soil. They are not on the plant. Okay, so gingers grow under the soil. That's why we can't see it. Okay, Bingo. That's really lovely ginger plant. Next. Bingo, what is this? Okay. Yeah, this is coriander. Yes, right, all of you. This is coriander, dhania, which our mother used to garnish the vegetables, to garnish dal, and to bring nice aroma in our food. Yes, the coriander is looking so beautiful, so greenish. Very happy to see this coriander. Okay, next, which plant you have in your garden? This is capsicum plant, right, Bingo? Yes, this plant is of capsicum, Shimla mirch. We use it for the cooking vegetable. Yes, this is capsicum plant. Very nicely it is grown. Next. Now here, my friends, all of you can see various kinds of pots are used by me because there are very less amount of pots were there, so I used this bottle. My mother guided me. My mother told me to use these bottles, to decorate the bottles and to use them for the plantation. So all of you can see how I have grown the plants in the bottles, and also I have decorated and painted the bottles. Okay friends. Oh wow, it is so lovely. So nicely you have decorated these bottles and it is looking so nice. The plantation in the bottles. Yes. Next. And this is our garden. See, various colorful and various types of pots are used by my mother for the plantation. Really, it's so beautiful. Wow, so colorful garden. Wow, it's really very nice. You loved it, friends? Yes. Okay, Bingo. Thank you for showing us your lovely kitchen garden. It's really very, very beautiful. And your mother and you, your kitchen garden. Okay, friends? Right, friends? We really loved it, na? Bingo's kitchen garden. So, we also can see Bingo and his mother's efforts, hard work in this garden. Bingo, your garden is so beautiful, but how do you maintain this garden? It is so big, so many plants are there. Yes, for this maintenance, I water the plants daily, and also we keep these plants in the sunlight to grow. Okay, so it requires sunlight also. Yes, in sunlight, the plants cooks their own food and it helps them to grow. So I daily water the plants, I keep them in the sunlight, and also my mother uses the fertilizer for it. Fertilizer. Fertilizer, it means what? Friends, do you know about fertilizers? Oh, some of you know about it. Okay, Bingo will tell us. Okay. So, Bingo, tell us something about what is this fertilizer is exactly. The fertilizer, it means a mixture which provides the nutrients to the plants, and it helps the plants to grow very healthy and keeps them away from all the diseases which occurs on the leaves or on the stems. So it helps them to grow nicely. Okay, so from where we can get this fertilizer? There are two types of fertilizer: chemical fertilizer and organic fertilizer. This chemical fertilizer, we can get it in the shop, but this organic fertilizer, which is very, very healthy and helpful for the plants, we can make it at home. Okay, so organic fertilizer your mother makes at home. Yes, it's very, very simple. We can use the kitchen vegetable waste, whatever the wastage vegetable peels, the peels of the fruits, and also the rotted vegetables. We can use it as a organic fertilizer. And also we can use a tea powder. After making tea, you drain the tea and we get that tea powder, we throw it away in the dustbin. So instead of throwing it, we can use it as a organic fertilizer. Okay, Bingo. It's so simple. From the kitchen waste, we can make organic fertilizer. Yes. So this water, sunlight and organic fertilizer helps our kitchen garden to grow very nicely and very healthy. And that's why it is looking green and fresh. Okay, Bingo. Thank you very much for this lovely info which you are giving to all of us. Okay. So now, Bingo, just tell me from where your mother got all these pots, all these friends. Those pots are so lovely, na? So we want to know from where your mother bought all these pots, and also the plant saplings or the plant seeds. Okay, my mother got all those lovely pots and for seeds and saplings from the plant nursery. Plant nursery? What is this? Plants nursery is a place where we get all the material which we required for the plantation. Okay, so the plant nursery is like a shop. Yes, that is like a shop only. You get there various plant saplings, you get seeds, you get fertilizer, you get various kinds of pots, plastic pots, clay pots, you get the watering cans also there. Oh wow, so nursery is a place where we get all the material if you want to do the plantation. So for the plantation, we can visit the nursery, we can get the pots, we can get the soil, seeds, and the material required for the plantation. Thank you, Bingo, for this info. But Bingo, we also want to see the nursery. We have not visited the nursery, right, friends? So you all want to visit the nursery? Okay, so our friend is there, Harshita. She is going to take us to visit the nursery. Oh, wow. We will visit the nursery with our friend Harshita.
Hello everyone. So today I've come to the nursery and today I'm going to tell you about the pot culture. This is a clay pot and there are also some hanging pots and plastic pots. But the clay pot is a very useful one. And also there's one hole in every pot. There's a hole in every pot at the bottom. Why? Because if we put some excess water in the plant, then that excess water will drain away. And you should only put the water in the plants if the soil is full dry. You can use water cans or mugs to water the plants.
We really feeling so happy, Bingo, right? Yes, the visit to nursery was so lovely. Because of this lockdown and this corona pandemic, we cannot go out, and that's why we feel very stressed up and also we feel very sad. But after visiting, after this visual tour of the nursery, we all are feeling really very, very happy. What about you, friends? I'm feeling very, very happy, and Bingo too. So what about you? Are you all feeling very happy after looking that nursery, after looking around those lovely, beautiful plants, beautiful flowers? Are you all happy? If you're happy, show thumbs up. Yes, right. We all are very, very happy after visiting the nursery. So, our friend Harshita also told us about the different kinds of pots available in the nursery, different plants available in the nursery, watering cans, and also she told us that there is one hole under the pot to drain out the excess water, so that it helps the plants to grow very, very nicely, and we have to water very little to the plants whenever the soil is dry. Okay, so friends, we have got lot of information from Bingo and from Harshita too about the plantation, right? So all of you are excited to do the plantation. All of you love to do the plantation. Okay, so Bingo, you gave us so much information about how to do the plantation, how to use the fertilizers in it, how to keep them in the sunlight. But we want to see it, how to do the plantation step by step. Can you guide us? Yes, in the step, I will, all my friends, I will show you how to do the step-by-step plantation so that you can do it at your home. So, who will show us that? Our friend Harshita again. Okay, so Harshita is going to show us how to do the pot plantation step by step so that.
Hello friends, this is my friend Mr. Teddy Bear and I'm going to do pot plantation. So Mr. Teddy Bear is also here to see how to do pot plantation. So let's start. We can choose the pots depending on the sizes of the plants. Mostly for small plants and flowering plants, we use pots. This is the clay and this is the pot. Now I will put some clay into the pot. Now we will remove the cover and keep the sapling inside the pot. And put all the soil in the pot. At this stage, we need to put the fertilizer into the soil. Why? So as we eat fruits and vegetables and we become healthy, the same way, if we put fertilizers in the soil, the plant will become healthy. But what are fertilizers? Fertilizers are kitchen wastes. There are two types of fertilizers available. One we can make at our house using our kitchen waste. And the second one is that we get the chemical fertilizer from the market. So this is my kitchen waste. And when we mix these kitchen waste into the soil, then it becomes an organic fertilizer. And this homemade organic fertilizer can be used for plants. But how is it made? We put these kitchen waste into the soil and we keep it for some days. And after some days, it becomes into an organic fertilizer. These are the tea leaves which we get after we make tea. And my grandfather has made an organic fertilizer out of these tea leaves. When these tea leaves are mixed with the soil, it becomes an organic fertilizer. Like this one. Now I will add some fertilizer and soil to the plant. Here we have added all the soil to the plant. Now we will water the plant. But we should not put excess water in the plant. We should put only a little bit of water in the plant. We can water the plant with a watering can or a mug. The soil soil will then absorb the water. So Mr. Teddy and friends, have you understood how to do pot plantation? And you also have to do pot plantation at your home. And don't forget to make the organic fertilizer. So friends, what is missing in the plants now? We have given water to the plant. We have put organic fertilizer in the plant. Also soil we have put in the plant. So what is missing? Think, what is missing? Yes, it's the sunlight. The sunlight is very important for the plant so it can grow. So let us keep it in the sunlight now. Let sunlight move. Bye friends, see you next time.
Wow. Thank you very much, Harshita, for showing us the process of pot plantation. So friends, have you understood about how to do the pot plantation? So the important things in the pot plantations are a plant sapling or seeds, soil, fertilizer, then water and sunlight. Okay, so this all things makes the plants to grow healthy and green. Okay, so this will be your homework. Okay, so all of you just note down your homework. This is not a writing work. You don't have to do any writing work in the homework. This is your homework is as a activity. Okay, so which activity you are going to do? You are going to do the pot plantation. You cannot, I know you cannot visit the nursery, you cannot buy a pot, but as I show you, Bingo used the waste bottles, okay, for the pot plantation. So same way you also can make use of the bottles which are waste, or some waste plastic pots or tins if you have in your home, you can use it for the plantation. Okay, and you can grow any plant in that. You can grow tulsi plant also, or flowering plants like rose plant, hibiscus, it means shoe flower plants. Okay, so you do it as per your wish. Okay, so all of you will grow one plant like Harshita showed us in the pot, and daily you will water it. Harshita told you we have to water it very little water, not much excess water. We should not give the plants. Okay, and little fertilizer, a homemade fertilizer from the kitchen waste or the tea leaves, that you can mix it with the soil in a little quantity, which will help the plants to grow nicely. And you observe the growth of the plants on the regular basis, and all of you send your lovely plant pic to your lovely plant photo to your respective teacher. Okay friends, so all of you have understood your homework of the plantation. So now, after getting so much idea about the plantation, I'm really very excited, and now right now I'm going to do the plantation, okay, in my home. Okay, so I'm going for the plantation. All of you also go and start the plantation. Whatever the information Bingo and our friend Harshita gave us, from that we can do the plantation nicely. Right friends? You'll also do the plantation, because these plants helps us in many ways, and also they are our best friends. So we should take care of them, and we should plant more and more trees, and you just ask your friends too to do the same. Okay friends? Okay, so we will now all leave to do the plantation. All of you take the help of your parents, your friends, or your elder brother and sister for this plantation work. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye, friends.